Here we divide 725 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 2 and it is 22. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 5 and it is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 0. So 725 divided by 5 is 145. So this much for today and thanks for watching.